Every law firm loses clients, but most don't realize they're losing up to 30% of new leads before a single conversation even starts. That's tens of thousands in revenue slipping through the cracks, silently, repeatedly. So let's change that. Today, I'm going to show you the 3 biggest intake mistakes that cost law firms leads and how AI fixes every one instantly. Mistake number 1, response delays. 42% of law firms take 3 days to respond to a new inquiry. Think about that. 3 days in 2025. And that time, your lead has already Googled someone else, booked a consult, and signed a retainer. You're not too expensive. You're just too slow. Mistake number 2, inconsistent qualification. Different staff, different questions, no process. You waste hours on tire kickers while your best fit clients slip away. You don't even know it happened. Mistake number 3, data chaos. Client notes on sticky pads. Intake details buried in inboxes. Staff remembering things off the top of their head. That's how follow-ups get missed. Errors get made and trust breaks before the client ever signs. Let's get real. This isn't just admin. This is revenue loss on autopilot. But here's the good news. You can fix all of that starting today. Step 1, add a 24/7 AI intake voice assistant. Answers every call instantly, after hours, weekends, holidays, even while your staff is tied up. It qualifies leads using your exact intake criteria. No more inconsistency. Ask follow-up questions. And yes, it books appointments while you sleep. Step 2, centralize all client data. AI pipes every response directly into your CRM or intake system and into a call dashboard with notifications via email or Slack. No more missed follow-ups. No more chaos. Step 3, automate follow-up. It sends reminders, drafts documents from intake answers, even preps your team before meetings. So every consult is smoother and closes faster. One firm that adopted this setup cut staffing costs by 55% and boosted client satisfaction by 35% in just 4 months. And across multiple firms, the results look like this. 73% more consultations booked, 40% fewer unqualified leads, 22% higher conversion rates. This isn't a tech upgrade. This is a competitive advantage. And your competitors? They're already doing it. So here's your move. Click the link below and download my free AI client intake blueprint. You'll get the exact prompts, tools, and automations I use to help law firms double qualified leads in just 30 days. Why keep leaking revenue? Plug the holes, win the client, and finally, let your intake process work as hard as you do.